Good day, everyone. My name is Aindola Iwola from ByteUp. I want to show you a simple project using CloudX microcontroller. This is a game device, a game project, a simple project you can actually design yourself, a do-it-yourself project. This is a joystick. It can move in different direction, front, back, up, back, and different side. And also you can actually click on it to check your high score. Now let's see how it works. This is a game. Okay, I can actually move forward, so I'm actually using the joystick to control. I can actually move backward, up, so it's being controlled with the joystick. Now once it misses it, can you see? Game over. So this is a simple project. I have my joystick, my buzzer, alarm system, and an LCD, then your CloudX, and an inbuilt power supply battery. Thank you for watching our video. This is ByteUp's Embedded. Like our page on Facebook, ByteUp Embedded, and then this is a Nigerian based company. Thank you very much.